Okay, well, I hope that this is glued into your Cornell notes. We are going to learn today about dimensional analysis, which will help us convert. So first step, follow along with me. You're going to start with what you know. Okay, and then along with that, you're going to make a T-chart. I'll show you that down below. Okay, step 2, put what you don't want on the bottom. Make sure for all of these that every single thing you're putting the units on there. Step number 3, put what you want on the top. Okay, make sure to also include the units. Step number 4, you're gonna fill in the proper equivalencies, and we'll talk about those and how you find those and stuff like that. Step 5, make sure, this is really important, you multiply across the top and divide across the bottom. And then step number 6, really important, don't miss this. Make sure that your answer makes sense. Does that number actually make sense? Okay, so let's try this one down here. This is gonna be really important for us coming up with a lab that we're gonna do. So if you have 0.0625 cups of butter, how many tablespoons do you have? So let's go through that. Start with what you know. I know 0.0625 cups. Okay, make a T-chart. Hopefully you're following along. There's my T-chart. Put what you don't want, step number 2, put what you don't want on the bottom. My units. Okay, so I'm gonna put cups down here. Step number 3, put what you want on the top. Okay, those are the units that I want on the top. Well, I have cups down here. What do I want? I want tablespoons, which stands for TB. Step 4, fill in the proper equivalencies. This is where we're gonna need our blue lifelines. So let me show you. Your blue lifeline, you're gonna see a bunch of different numbers on there. Okay, I've already checked ahead and I know where that one is. It's right here, my equivalency. 1 cup equals 16 tablespoons. Okay, so with that, the 1 goes with the cups and the 16 goes with the tablespoons. So let's put that in. So 1 cup, what do I put on top? 16 tablespoons. All right, multiply across the top and divide across the bottom. So here we go. If you grab out a calculator, okay, you're gonna take 16 times 0.02 or 0.0625. You ready for this? 1. Okay, so 1 divided by 1, what's that equal? 1 tablespoon. They won't always be that easy, but for this one, it's just 1 equivalency. Okay, now let's try that in a different way on our next worksheet.